The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is coming with a 200 megapixel of a camera sensor, and today we have got a new leak which give us a detail about the image size of that particular sensor. But before going on that, make sure to subscribe the channel. So guys, a 200 megapixel main camera sensor for the S23 Ultra is a huge leap compared to the 108 megapixel sensor coming for the S22 Ultra. However, today we have got a new leak which showcased that the image size between both of these camera sensors are not going to be a major difference. Now, to break down, S23 has tweeted today about the image size of the 200 megapixel camera sensor. According to him, this new sensor will be having an image size between 20 megapixel to 40 megapixel. According to the images he has shared on his Twitter account, showcase that this new camera sensor is coming with a resolution of 12,240 by 16,320 resolution with an image size of 20.9 MB, while the second one is captured at exact same resolution but features a size of 37.06 MB. Now, for comparison purpose, the 108 megapixel sensor can capture an image to a resolution of 9000 by 12,000 resolution with a 14.21 MB of space use. So the difference between them is just of a 6 MB. So we don't know what compression technique Samsung is employing to reduce the capacity of this 200 megapixel image significantly. But if we look at previous leaks and rumors, there are a chance that we are going to see a 3 different modes for the S23 Ultra 200 megapixel sensor, and basically it's coming with 3 different modes like 12 megapixel, 50 megapixel and a 200 megapixel sensor. So there is a chance that we could actually going to see a different size of images at different modes. Now, another feature that this 200 megapixel sensor will be bringing is an 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. And to be honest, I really hope that Samsung should bring a real 8K video recording in their smartphone, because if you look at the 108 megapixel sensor 8K video recording, they were just a gimmick. And you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you excited about this new 200 megapixel sensor? Now guys, when it comes to the smartphone, battery is something everyone is worried about, and no one is talking about the battery of the S23 Ultra because it's going to be coming with the same 5000 mAh battery and the same 45 watt of fast charger. But here is a catch: if you are not getting a bigger battery, how it's possible to get more battery out of the S23 Ultra? Well, the answer is a power efficient processor, and Samsung is doing the same thing. As per the Qualcomm new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is 40% more power efficient CPU and 45% more power efficient GPU. Also, along with the power efficient processor, Samsung is adding a new light mode which will help the battery on the S23 Ultra just by limiting the high frequency on the S23 Ultra processor. Although in my opinion this will affect the battery numbers of the S23 Ultra, but don't expect to have a big change in the battery department. And you guys, Samsung started a reservation for the S23 Ultra, and you can get a $50 credit if you pre-reserve your device right now. But if you pre-reserve both the laptop and the smartphone at the same time, you will get a $100 credit, which is amazing. Also, there are leaks that pre-order deals has been arrived which give you a Galaxy Buds Pro in some markets. Some markets will be coming with a Galaxy Watch, and even some markets will give you a $100 credit plus a memory upgrade option as well. So definitely it depends upon region where you live in. And you guys, if you are interested to see the official pricing of the S23 Ultra, here is the link. Check them out as well. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.